Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can prevent others from using your Android device without permission. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then just scroll your screen until you find lock screen. And this is the lock screen setting on the Android phone. And just tap on it and we can tap on screen lock type. And to prevent our phones or our device from others, we can set screen lock type with pattern, pin on, password, and it's according to the security level that you want. For example, if you want high security, you can set password for your lock screen, and you can set medium high security by setting pin on your lock screen. And if you just need medium security, you can set pattern. And for example, I'm going to set pattern for my lock screen, so just click on it, then you can set pattern right here. You can draw your unlock pattern. And I'm going to give you another example. If you want to set pin, you just need to click on pin option, then enter your pin right here. Then if you want to set password, we can click on password and we can enter our password for our lock screen. And okay guys, that's how we can prevent others from using our Android device without permission. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.